Well, it's the last day in Wales and we're here on the Isle of Anglesey, taking Mulberry for a walk along the beach, hopefully see an old lighthouse.
It was the last full day in Wales. We drove over the bridge to the Isle of Anglesey and we headed south to Llanddwyn Beach. It's a beautiful spot, and on a clear day you can see the mountains of Snowdonia, but not today.
We're a bit windswept. Weather's not so nice today, but hey, can't complain. Alright, she can.
Towards the end of the week, a storm had come in from the Atlantic.
The force is with you, Obi-Wan.
The weather was wild. Kite surfers were taking full advantage of the wind and the waves.
Take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
The island of the blessed. Just walking up to the twin lighthouses. Short hike across the beach to get here. It takes about 20 minutes. Hopefully I'll get the drone up, although it's a bit windy, and the views will be worth it.
Llanddwyn Island isn't really an island but a peninsula. Llanddwyn means the Church of St Dwynwen, who lived in the 5th century and is the Welsh patron saint of lovers. Legend has it, she lived on the island in solitude to follow the life of a hermit after having an unhappy marriage. A chapel was built in her memory in the 16th century and the ruins are still there today. The island stands at the entrance to the Menai Strait, which is an important shipping channel. The lighthouses have protected ships since 1845. And the older of the two is still in service today, although now fully automated. On our way back to the cottage, we took a short detour to Caernarfon so we could see the castle and take a walk around the harbour. We've had a great week away in Wales, but the next day it was the long drive back to Sussex. But we will be back. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing to my channel. And why not watch the previous 2 videos of our stay in Snowdonia. See you next time.